I have let my yard go over the winter time, and I think it's about time I get a hold of it. We haven't had a lawnmower. We got ourselves one. We got ourselves a weed whacker, so let's get this stuff taken care of.
Of course, in Tennessee, it started raining, so I had to stop here, but this is how far I got. Make sure to follow for part 2, where I finish this up and head to the backyard.